Welcome back. Now, Dragon Naturally Speaking will allow us to search our entire computer, and we can basically do that in three ways. We can use the search command for our computer, for our emails, for our documents, and for our web history. So first, we're going to start with the computer. And so we want to give Dragon a command, which is search computer for a certain document or a certain item. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on Dragon, and then we're going to start the search process. Search computer for Amazon. Click search. Search email for marketing. Click search. Search documents for chat log. Click search. Search history for Nuance. Click search. So you've now seen how to give Dragon the command for search. All you'll need to do is to say search computer, search emails, search documents, or search history, and Dragon will search the computer for whatever you ask it to search for. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.